Hey, what's up, guys? This is JT from Press Media, and today I'm going to restart a new e-commerce development tutorial. It's been a long time. I was working on a e-commerce application, but it was left as it is. So I was so busy to complete the application. After a long period of time, it's huge difference into the technology, and I want to start this project from the beginning level. And here you can see I have set up a application, and I'm going to work on this one. So I have prepared some of the images which will be used in our application. So let me copy these images and paste into the drawable folder. Okay, and I want to use the image asset, which is this one, e-commerce png, and trim it to the 100%. Although it's not working for the full bleed layer, it's fine. I'm using it. Then let me create some style for the full screen. That is style, and name is theme dot app compact dot light, no action bar, and which is full screen, so that we can note the theme style when we read the name. So this one will be our style, and we have some of the attribute, that is Android, window no title, that is true, we don't need the title here. And next one is window action bar, that is also false, we don't need the action bar. Sorry for my typo mistake. Next one we will use full screen true, window full screen, which is true. And finally Android window content overlay, that will represent the null. So finally we have completed theme design. For our project we are going to use some of the colors. So let's open the colors folder and create some of the color. First of all, I want to use this app for the background compatibility, so I'm using the color primary here, that is FFA00. I'm going to use this application as a golden yellow color, so I'm using yellow here. The second one, primary dark, is here. And next one, I'm using color accent, which will be E14646. The hexadecimal code is, you can copy this code after pausing the video. And I'm using some of the intro slider here. At this moment we are trying to create a splash screen and intro slider. So we have color name equals to, let's parent it to the intro 400, so that we can show the different background color for the intro slider. Next one is color name. Let's name it intro 600. I'm using the different color here. It's just a name for to remember easily. And next one, I am using the color for splash screen. That will be splash beige color, and it will be alright. So I have prepared some of the color for splash screen also. C107. Okay, I'm going to use a golden color for the uh, splash screen. So in the intro slider, I'm going to use the app intro dependency and legacy support, which I already have written here. Now I'm going to add a new activity for my project, which is splash activity. It's giving me 2, so let's remove it. So I already have created one splash screen. That's why it's giving me a splash screen true. So let me rename it to splash screen. Alright, it's taking easily. So let's go to the splash screen and use the icon for the project. Let's manage the constant layout. I want to be the splash screen in the center of the screen, and let's go to the code and use the background color for the splash screen. That is at the red color splash BG. Let's go to the design and check it. It's looking nice. And let's use a text view, which will have the left and right 16 dB, and in top I want to use 16. Leave it as it is. Here I am using the text or sub in your hand. Let's write a slogan or sub in your hand, and let's define increase some of the text size, which is 22 dB, and use the text color. So I am using color intro 600, which is the dark red, and it seems very nice. Let's go to the splash activity, and in the splash activity I want to make this application backend compatible. So build.version.stk. So import the build stk underscore integer is greater than or equals to build.version codes dot kitkat, then window equals to, let's import the window, that is get window method, and window dot set paths, which is window manager dot layout params dot flat layout no limit, and window manager dot layout param dot flat no limit. Alright, so here I am going to use a new handler uh, which will post delay, which have a new runnable, and in this runnable we will call the intent equals to new intent. Let's import the intent first, which is class activity dot this to main activity dot class, and we can start activity intent. Then we will finish this, and the delay time for this application I am using 3000 millisecond. So let's go to the Android manifest and switch the launcher to splash activity and change it. So here in the splash activity I am going to use the theme, which is full screen theme. We have the first one, no action bar. So that's it, we have finished the splash screen. Let's run the project so that we can see what will happen. Now the Cradle build is running and the app is installing. Okay, the splash screen is seen here, and after 6 seconds we can see the main activity. That's fine. So now I am going to add another activity, empty activity, which is intro slider activity. So for the intro slider activity we will not use the layout. That's why I'm removing the layout file also. We'll use the add slide. For the intro slider I want to create some of the string name equals to slider1 title, and in this title I am using products. When the string name equals to slider1 description, which will be choose the products you want to buy living in your room. There are lots of options and you can select from multiple options. Alright, this much is for the intro slider 1. Now 2 and 3. Let me change the name to 2 and 3. This string will be go for the intro slider. Here I'm going to work on the intro slider. Okay, let's add slide, and in the add slide, add intro, add intro fragment dot new instance, which is get string r dot string dot slider 1 title, then we will need the description, which is get string r dot string dot slider 1 description, and the next one is r dot drawable dot soft image. Then the last one is the context compact dot get color, which will be get application dot color dot intro 200, and we'll need let me break down it from here. We'll need 2, 3. I think all of the bracket have been closed, and let's import all of the things. So I think it's not working due to the synchronization, and let me manually add the options. So we need app intro fragment, then we will need only the app intro also. That should be work, and we will extend it app intro. So for the context compact, we need to import code content compact android x dot code dot content dot context compact. All right. Here we have context compact and cannot method new instance. Let's close here. It's not close, so the error have been gone. I want to copy same thing to the next two slide, and we'll change to and this one is the 400, 3, and this one is 600. And let's change the image to collect card, and the next one is delivery image. Okay, we have completed the slide creation. Let's run it. And okay, before run it, I need to manage the splash screen, where we will change to intro slider activity. I already have run the application, so Let's check it. Will it work for the intro slider, or we need to rerun it? So first of all, it's launching the splash screen. Okay, we got the splash, and which will be the full screen. We have seen the title bar here, and skip and down button is not working here. That's right. Alright, let's go to the Android manifest and change the theme to the full screen for intro slider also. Here we have the intro slider, and I have changed it to the full screen. Then into the intro slider we have to implement some of the method which are on, done, press. Here we just need to write intent equals to new intent, which is intro slider activity dot this to main activity for the moment. Later we will change it to the login screen. So I did a mistake here, dot class, and we have placed some of the unnecessary thing here. So we can start the activity, that is intent in our case, and let's terminate it. Again, the next one is on skip press. We'll do the same thing. So let me copy this one and paste here. So let's run the application again and check it. Is it working as we like or not? So the app is launching. We have the splash screen for 3 seconds, and now we have the intro slider here. When we press done, we'll go to the main activity. Alright guys, this is all for today. In the next episode we will work on the login and sign up module. After login and sign up, we will go to the main activity, which will display the product list and much more things. Thank you for your time. Please do not forget to share and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.